own. Out in the world, the modern day cowboy, we ride the steel horse, we created the dream. Are we the last of the few that explode?
So pretty much every morning, my little friends come down and they get their drink here on the shore, and there's a little fawn back in behind this one, and I didn't catch if that little fawn was down there drinking. There's another one over here. Where is it? They're coming down. They always come down and they'll eat the grass, and then they'll get a little drink of water, but they're kind of my little, there. Oh, there's a little fawn. I think the little fawn is right behind that one there, that little fawn. And it was right out there getting a drink. It was really a pretty little picture. But anyway, yep, this is an every morning occurrence. Get to see the deer and come down, and you've got the swans that come by here, and I've got the ducks, and it just, I mean, if you want to appreciate nature, these shanty boats, or any boat on the water and stuff, is just amazing. But it's just so amazing to, you know, to be able to wake up and have this kind of nice, yeah, I think there's 3 there with 1 fawn. And they know I'm out here. They sense something. They're not exactly positive, but they do sense something. But they're getting their morning feed on. There's a nice little 4-point buck here, but I haven't been able to catch him. He stays pretty much a little bit more hidden. But they're just chowing down. Yeah, that little fawn, I think, is moving up the bank. But yeah, it's a nice little picture of this one. Like I said, there's a little fawn back in there. It's still got spots, but it's not. It's certainly probably a June, maybe a June or July birth. Oh, look at the one there. Reach up for the tree. The leaves there on the tree there. Anyway, you know, I love this. I live for this. I live for this really beautiful nature. You know, it's so nice to sit here. Now again, you know, it comes into the fall or something like that, and a buck or something, you know, or whatever, it's into the hunting season. You know, as much as I love the nature, I mean, I have no problem harvesting a deer for meat. I always thank the good Lord for providing meat, or, you know, just like fish on the water and things like that. It's all part of the cycle of living in life. You know, it's when it comes to humans, and you know, the animals are beautiful and stuff, but they also provide nourishment, nutrition to us. That's how we have to look at it. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Oh, doing a little bit of fishing here. We had Mr. Ron back here, which ended up treating us to a charter. And I haven't been out in a long time, so I thought I'd bring you guys along on a little bit of video here. We'll see how we do. A lot of boats out today. It's just crazy this time of year around here when it comes to the fishermen, and I think the charter guys can get kind of annoyed because all the little boats that come out, you know, they kind of become like obstacles, I guess, if you want to call it that. But anyway, we are privileged to be out here today, and we'll give you the name of the boat and the name of the charter guy. And if you guys are looking for a charter or something like that, you guys can give him a call and set something up. We'll show you what's the proof in the pudding here at the end of the day, how we do. And you do lose him. At least I got a little bit of footage of him, but that's a big one. Oh, that's a dandy. All right. Coming in, coming in, coming in. All right.
Lift up. Nice day.
Got it? Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, that's a dandy.
Good job. Proud of you. Proud of you.
That is a dandy.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Man, two nice fish. I know it.
Up.
Oh, yeah, that was wow, it's a good eating fish, though.
Nice coho.
It's a good eating
That's a
fish.
coho.
Yeah, it's a coho,
That's the
yeah.
first coho we got today. Isn't it?
Yeah, that's a good eater right
One
there.
big coho in the plug.
All right, things have been pretty hectic here with a lot of stuff popping off, and Bonnie has gotten probably a really, according to these guys, she's got a good size one on here. So we're gonna see what comes up here.
Keep it on the surface, Bonnie. You don't want to get in that diver. You're above that diver right now. So keep the rod up.
There you go.
Keep that rod up. Keep that rod up. Reel down on it, Bonnie. Bring the rod up to the sky. Reel down on it.
There you go.
What's the drag like?
That is a big one.
Bring it to the right. There you go. Starting to straighten out. Straighten it out. Reel down on it.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one, Bonnie. That's a nice one.
Yeah. Go down. Lift up. There you go.
Sticking nice.
I'll try and get
We're going to get one shot.
as much as I can of it for you. All right, we're getting ready to come in for the net.
Get that rod up.
Oh yeah,
Rod up. Reel down, quick.
and then up.
Next time you come up, I want you to reel down on it quick. Reel down, yes, just like that. Stay up.
Lift up.
All right.
One more. Now lift up and walk back. Lift up, walk back.
Yep, come on back, come on back. Bring him, bring him, bring him, bring him, bring him. You got him, oh yes. Oh yes. Nice job. That is a dandy. That is a dandy. Nice job.
I told you that was a hog.
That was a nice one. Great netting skills by the first mate. Oh, that was a dandy. Excitement is definitely out today. All right, guys, that was our morning trip. We got some coho, we got some steelhead, and of course some salmon. But we got some really nice fish. Can't beat it. It was a great morning. We were super busy. Ended up with 16 total. All right, guys, so we are cooking up our salmon here that we've got some. We've got about 30 pounds of it, but I'm cooking up some tonight, and we're going to have a little bit of a feast here. Nice golden brown salmon. I mean, I don't know how you can go wrong with that. Amazing stuff. So we are going to definitely have a nice little feast tonight. We got some coleslaw to go with it. And we got it all breaded with some drakes. And we're going to finish this stuff up. And then we're going to be good. Man, it doesn't get any better than this, guys. It just doesn't get any better. Oh. I'm going to try and cook the rest of this so I can shut this thing down. Oh. Hot. But it's so good. Look at this little nuggets here. And, you know, this stuff is just, it's just amazing stuff. So anyway, that's what we're going to have. And then we got some tomatoes. And we've got some this stuff here, shit, I can't think of the name of it now, which I get plenty of it. I can't think of it now, but anyway, got some of that. We're gonna have some of that with it, and some tartar sauce. Oh my God, it's just gonna be a great stuff.
Adventure